Forza Killer 123, guys. Drag racing, my sleeper against Cyan. Line up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. He can't drive. And I won, guys. Don't stop it. We're gonna have another drag race. Like 2 minutes. It's only at 45 seconds or whatever. Burnout spot. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh crap, I missed the shift. Oh! I don't know who won that one. That was close. That was close. I was pulling on you, Mr. Slow Cyan. Three, 2, 1, go. I held it at 5,000 RPM, so you're good. Oh, you cheated? And I still win! And I still win! Ooh!